Hey, what is going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing these Puddle lights. This is Tesla NT logoed. So when you open the door, it's going to light up the Tesla logo on the ground. Should have came standard on such a high price vehicle, but anyways, I got these on Amazon. They come in a set, so it's two, and they also come labeled. So if you notice here, turn this around, there's an R here, so that means this is for the right side, and then on the left side obviously is gonna have an L on it for the left side. So all you gotta do is go ahead and pry this. They do provide a metal screwdriver, but I wouldn't recommend it, as if you're prying here you could crack this glass, and you want to go ahead and put these back eventually, I guess, if you have like a lease vehicle or something like that. I mean, if you want to go back to OEM. So I'm using a plastic pry tool. So all you have to do is pry here on this corner, and then this comes off, and you disconnect the connector and connect this one reverse process back in there, and basically that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I found a neat trick. So just kind of push here, kind of go in between here, and this should release it like so. So this one's off. Let's go ahead and put the new one on. All right, so we're gonna grab the new one, and we're gonna connect it to this connector here. You guys can see here with the yellow black. This only goes one way, so the flat part towards the flat part, and we're in. So reverse process here, like so. Tuck wire in, and you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the floor lighting so you guys can see the Tesla logo. All right, there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the lights so you guys can see it perfectly. So you guys can see it's very clear. I got these on Amazon, so I'll go ahead and I'll put the link in the description. There's different ones. There's one that comes with a 4-pack, different brand, but I went with the most reviews, high reviews, and also the Amazon, recommended one. So that's that one right there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the lights, and this is gonna be on all 4 doors. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver's side and just show you, and we'll wrap this video up. And all I'm gonna do is do the 2 back doors, and same process. So let's go ahead and look at the driver's side. All right, so here's the driver's side, already done. So you guys can see the nice Tesla logo. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off those lights. It just looks phenomenal. So if you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.